Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh, during an event in Bengaluru on Saturday, confirmed that India shot down 5 fighter aircrafts of Pakistan Air Force during Operation Sindoor. The Air Chief Marshal said that the jets were shot down by the S-400 air defense systems. Apart from the 5 jets, one large electronic intelligence or airborne early warning aircraft was also shot down, which he said was actually the largest ever recorded surface-to-air kill that one can talk about. Singh also said India was able to get at least 2 command and control centers like Murid and Chaklala.
That is Shahbaz, their Jacobabad airfield, one of them again, a major airfield that was attacked. And here there's an F-16 hangar, which you can see here. And here this is the photograph again from open source, from one of their earlier picture of the same hangar. And here that hangar, which is one half of the hangar is gone. And I'm sure there were some aircraft inside which have got damaged there. So if I can just sum it up, what we were able to get there at least 2 command and control centers in like Murid and Chaklala that I have shown you one of the pictures. At least 6 radars, some of them big, some of them small. 2 SAGW system that is in Lahore and Okara. Then of course runway at Sargodha and Rahimia Khan. 3 hangars that we attacked. One was, of course, Sukur, the UAV hangar, the Bholari hangar of AEWNC, and Jacobabad, the F-16 hangar. And we have indication of at least 1 AEWNC in that AEWC hangar, and a few F-16s which were under maintenance there. Apart from these, the SAGW systems, mostly from, I'm talking about fighter aircraft are from S-400. We have at least 5 fighters confirmed kills and 1 large aircraft, which could be either an Elint aircraft or an AEWNC aircraft, which was taken out at a distance of about 300 kilometers. This is the actually largest ever recorded surface-to-air kill that we can talk about. And